Hi guys, we're here at Chef K's in Temecula, and she is a celebrity chef, as well as one of our subscribers told us to come here. So we're here.
Yeah, sorry, we never got your name, so whoever you are, thanks for the
Second
hookup.
Amazon Prime.
Second Amazon Prime. So we're here at Chef K, and yeah, apparently she's a celebrity chef.
She cooks for the Kardashians, as well as she's done stuff for Ryan Seacrest and Charlize Theron. So yeah.
Well, now she gets to cook for us.
Yeah, I can't wait to taste her food, you guys.
All right, we're here for the lunch special, so we're gonna check this place out, and then we got a dessert place we're gonna do as well.
Hey, Dave. Really good lunch specials. Here's our lunch special, starting off with egg flour soup. There's some dipping sauces, spicy mustard and sweet and sour, I'm thinking.
It looks so delicious. Look at this.
It's got good coloring.
Yeah, I don't think I'll need to be putting any soy sauce in here. But I do want some of those crunchy noodles. But just first of all.
Wow, hot.
Hot. Kind of like how I like my soup. I'd like to blow it cool.
It's steamy.
Yeah, I mean, it's really hot. Oh, wow. It's got corn in it. Interesting. Never had a egg drop soup with corn in it.
Oh, I have.
You have? Not me. Man, it's super rich in color.
I love the
Super
color.
thick. It's really hot. Be careful.
Ooh, good flavor.
Yeah, it's interesting. I've
You
never
really
had
don't
it.
need salt and pepper.
No, I don't think so. I would like some of those fried wontons or
Oh,
noodles.
that's good.
Okay, we'll
Delicious.
show you that if we get that anyways. We'll show you our entree as soon as it comes out.
So they did offer us some crispy wonton.
They call them crispy noodles.
That's like cracker, right? Chinese cracker. It's good. Oh, they've got tangerine chicken. Looks really good.
And I also got it with fried rice, which looks terrific.
And I'm gonna be eating those broccoli for sure.
And then there's the wing right there.
Oh, nice.
So it comes with one fried chicken wing, option of fried rice, white rice, the soup, and then this.
Broccoli. You like how he says this?
My arch nemesis.
$12.99. Not bad.
Not bad for lunch. I mean, really, where can you go to get a full meal that's delicious? All right, let's check this out because
I just did. It's good.
well, I was kind of tangerine. Look at how much food you get. $12.99. That is just an incredible amount of
I
food.
got the Mongolian beef. Goes up just $1 more, but what a deal.
I can't wait to see it. I mean, this is $12.99. $12.99 for all this food, guys. If you're in Temecula, don't be hitting up those fast food joints. Check this place out.
Ooh, that looks like it's got breast meat.
It's not overly sweet, overly tangy. It has a really good food flavor in itself. It's citrusy.
Oh, I love it. Even the fried rice looks so good. You know what I'd use? I'd use the spoon for that. Here comes my food. Oh, thank you. Wow.
Thank you.
Talk about a boatload of food, you guys.
I mean, seriously, $13. That is insane.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, seriously, guys, $13 for this amount of food is just insane.
That is insane. So tender.
It looks so good. I'm happy with the fried rice.
This has a lot of flavor. You can taste the oyster sauce in here. It's a bit spicy, just a little bit.
Kathy's got her. Try that real quick because I didn't get to try mine. Sounds crunchy.
Not bad. Makes you want to buy the appetizer.
Yeah.
Wow, that is so good, you guys.
Again,
I can't wait for Dave to try. It's so tender.
I can't get over how cheap this is. How much food you get for $13. $12.99. $12.99.
$12.99, $13.99.
All right.
Soup is great. This is good.
I don't remember the name of the subscriber. I don't think we ever got his name. He's Amazon something.
Second Amazon Prime.
Second Amazon Prime.
Leave us a comment and let us know your name.
Yeah. So we
We
can
would
call
like
you
to also
out.
know how your trip to Japan went.
And this is a great
Recommendation. Oh my goodness.
Absolutely. So we are going to go be eating some dessert after we finish this all up. So stick around. I'll show you some. It's right down the street, so it's not very far.
I want Dave to try the meat. Let's see.
Oh yeah, isn't that good?
Oh my god. All the onions are yours. I mean, I'll have some.
Yeah, so much meat.
Yeah, it's good.
So tender.
I told you. Great flavor too. All this food.
For under $30. That's insane.
That is insane. So this is a must visit for sure if you're in Temecula.
All right, Kathy's trying my chicken, tangerine chicken.
So much chicken. Got a really sweet flavor.
It's not overly sweet or bitter.
Now, if you like any type of orange chicken, tangerine chicken beats it out.
It's right there.
Their wings are good.
Be sure to ask them for their deep fried noodle thing. It's really good in the soup.
This place is amazing, you guys. Hi guys, we're here at Lisa's Donuts and Boba.
Literally in the same shopping center as the Chinese place we
Yeah,
just
Chef
went to.
K's, so good, so reasonable.
But as far as dessert at Chinese places,
It's very
limited. So we're here at the
a donut shop, which I love donuts, and they get good reviews. So does Chef K's,
and they have boba, Kathy's favorite.
and I'm gonna get that too. So we'll show you
All right,
that in a sec.
join us for dessert. How you doing today? Good, thank you. You get like a half a dozen donuts.
So we got Vietnamese iced coffee with boba. You know Dave and his Vietnamese iced coffee. And we got blueberry.
This is blueberry glazed donut, and then we got the maple bacon. Kathy got our twist, and then we got these cutest little mini apple fritters.
They're super cute. All right, I have to try this.
Oh yeah. Normally I don't do boba because it sucks up all the area for the Vietnamese iced coffee. But
Wow, super good, super strong.
donut you going for first? The one that I chose.
You chose all of them.
Yeah, I did actually. Ooh, nice
That's
and
really
fresh.
soft. Really good frosting. Not too sweet.
All right, I'm off camera gonna try some
Super
of this.
good.
Oh my goodness, it is good.
That Vietnamese iced coffee is good.
It is very good. All right, my turn. Our dessert from after that Chinese food looks really so
The donuts go really well with it. Yeah, not too sweet. Soft.
very fresh. I don't think we're going to be able to eat half a dozen donuts, but we'll try.
I can't eat all that, but we'll try a couple more bites of maybe the maple bacon. I love the twist.
Look at that.
I love that. I love that. Maple bacon looks delicious. I can smell the bacon from here.
So soft.
That's so great, right?
I love that sweet, savory flavor.
It's like full on umami, you guys.
The donut is so soft. Fluffy.
So this is a must visit. Get a Chef K's, have some Chinese food, and come over here for dessert.
Yeah,
Well worth it.
I think we paid what? $12 for this?
Yeah.
So $2 a donut, basically, and really good donuts. I mean, not like those just the regular ones you get. Kind of gourmet-ish.
Love it.
Don't forget about your coffee.
Wanna try it? You did, right?
I did off camera.
Did you see the boba come up? I did.
I'm not a fan of boba. I only did that for Kathy. My whole problem is I don't like drinking something and having a surprise jump in there.
But it's good. The coffee's great.
Coffee's really good. Well,
All right.
guys, thanks for watching. We really appreciate your views. And hey, like, share, subscribe.
And
If
leave
you
a
haven't-
comment. Tell me what your favorite donut is, right?
We're in Temecula. Really good food. Good donuts. Definitely a place to visit. Or if you're in town, definitely hit up these spots.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys.